Can you see yourself in the 2017 Lexus IS? With less than 40,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Here's a feature-rich IS, the compact luxury sedan with a penchant for safety. Its suite of driver assist tech has your back so you can relax and enjoy its velvety smooth ride. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: electronic stability control, trip computer, bucket seats, power windows, four-wheel disc brakes, power steering. Feel energized by the drive in this premium IS. Treat yourself to a road test today. Our staff will toss you the keys and give you an outstanding customer experience.